Hey, this is Roxy, and I have a company from China that asked me to try this out, and I actually just like a few months ago was thinking I wish they had a extension cord that had USB adapters or whatever, and they do. So kind of excited because I could use one down here in my art lair where I only have electric, but I've got tools that use a USB plug to charge. So here it is. It's really kind of nice. So it has two of those, and then like a little one. Those are for kind of smaller, like my glue gun, different stuff like that. So now I just got to get it plugged in, and I can leave it right on my tabletop here without piling stuff on it. So brought this upstairs, plugged it in, tried all these different USB ports, and everything works. So I'm definitely going to use this down in my art lair because I have a couple tools that have a USB charge. So I'll see if they can give me a discount code for you guys if you're interested, and then I'll post that below the video or in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye.